Alright, we're doing a frozen mango margarita today. It's summer. Ingredients and recipe and description. Start off with about a half cup of water into the blender. Now follow that up with about a cup of white tequila. Guess you could use gold tequila, but I like white tequila. Pop that in the blender. There you go. Now moving on to your class, the Grand Marnier, or triple sec, quarter cup. Pop that in there. There you go. 1 full orange and 1 full lime, peeled and seeded. There you go. Pop those in there. Now the star of the show, 2.5 cups of semi-frozen mango. Alright, what's next? Of course, some sugar, quarter cup. Now, if it has much ice in there, I got about 4 cups. You might have to blend it down a little bit before you can get all your ice in there. But that's okay, because you're gonna blend it anyways. If it gets too thick, just add a little bit more water, or a little bit more tequila, just a little bit more liquid. I like mine thick, almost eating with a spoon, so I didn't. But a little bit more liquid and it'll be a nice pourability. Oh yeah, my cup is full.